guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be making slime. Every single time I try to make slime for you guys, I always mess up. So let's put you guys on a better angle. Right here. So we're going to take you can take a measuring cup or something to mix in and something to mix with. And then you're going to be needing, hang on, let me get up. Let me go grab it. I'll be right back. Okay, so what you're going to need is a 2-in-1. We got some coconut. Let me put you guys a little bit higher. So we got coconut. We got 2-in-1. I'm just going to pour it in there. I'll show you guys inside. Pour as much as you want. There's that much. And then we're going to get some shaving cream. Some. Not a lot. That's as much as you want. And this is blue, so it will be turning blue. Happy Valentine's. Valentine's is almost over. It's 10:56. I know what time is it. I always know what time it is. So your slime will be looking like this. Good. And then when you're done mixing this, because this is looking like slime already. Look. It's getting to slime. I'm going to put this up, and I have to go get a different ingredient because that's in the kitchen, so be right. Also, sorry, I had to move to my bedroom because my sister was pooped. So is that a good consistency? I got this from Willet Slime, and he inspired me by making this. So thank you, Willet Slime, because actually this is working. So I'm glad I found that video. Now you're gonna take some salt, only a little bit. I'll show you how much. It depends. It depends how